Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will create a new page and learn how to configure it. The new page is bound to new button we mentioned in last lesson, and we always input information to our object through this page in application. Let's start. Now we are in Object Manager. This is Object Department. Click Page Layout. Then we could see there are 4 types of page layout, which are generated by system. Since new layout is used for inputting information, let's click New Layout. There are 3 arrows in this page. The left side is a component arrow, and the right side is a panel configuration, and the middle one is an empty panel we need to configure. We are able to drag and drop components we need from the left side and adjust their settings on the right. To make this page more unique, we could drag the image widget to this panel. Click it. The configuration will be shown on the right. Click the Upload arrow, and then choose a picture. Then we are able to change the height of this image. We will change it to 50 pixels. And change the Align to Horizontal Alignment. In order to input data, we need to add some fields in this page. Click Field. Drag Department Name and Parent to this panel. Click the whole panel. Then change their arrangement. We are going to select Horizontal Alignment, and this is what it looks like after the change. To make the page look more beautiful, we can also change the field name style. Firstly, click here. Change the font weight of the name. Select medium. And change the font size to 16 pixels. Select blue color. Then we are going to change the alignment of title. Choose the second one, Center Text. For the second field, we are going to change the field name. Click the edit pane next to the field. Name it Parent Department. And the settings are the same as first field. The font weight medium. Font size 16 pixels. And the color is blue. Center text. Okay, for now, the new page is configured. Scroll down. There are 3 buttons at the bottom. They are built-in buttons, and we are able to configure them on Details panel. Click Configure Page. Here, we are able to customize their name. You just need to type the name you want in the bar. For example, I will change the Save button to number 0. Then you will find this button already changed as 0 in this page. You might notice that the Save button is a little bit different from other buttons. It has execution method. It means if we click Save, there will be 2 cases. The page will jump to Details page or List page. Since we have not configured the Details page, and the List page will be displayed by default on Application, there we click the method Go to the List page, then click Save. That's all about this lesson. In next lesson, we are going to add data to this object. See you next time.